You've probably heard it countless times. Avocados are a superfood. They're creamy, heart-healthy, and loaded with nutrients. Doctors, dietitians, and health influencers all seem to agree that eating avocados can help you age gracefully, lower cholesterol, and even keep your brain sharp. But here's the shocking truth. If you're over 60, the way you eat avocados could actually be doing more harm than good. Yes, that innocent green fruit on your toast might be silently sabotaging your health if you're making these surprisingly common mistakes. You see, in my years of studying nutrition and working with older adults, I've realized that healthy foods can turn unhealthy very quickly, not because of the food itself, but because of how we prepare, combine, or even store them. Avocados are no exception. Most seniors believe that simply adding half an avocado to their breakfast is a guaranteed heart boost. But the truth is, many are unknowingly pairing it with the wrong foods, eating it at the wrong time, or storing it in a way that actually strips away its powerful nutrients. And in some cases, these habits can even raise inflammation, trigger digestive problems, and worsen cholesterol, the exact opposite of what avocados are supposed to do. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 10 most dangerous avocado mistakes that millions of seniors make every day. Mistakes that can quietly increase your risk of heart disease, weaken your muscles, and even mess with your blood sugar. You'll learn exactly how to enjoy avocados safely, the best time to eat them for maximum nutrient absorption, and the combinations you must avoid at all costs. So before you slice another avocado for your salad or spread it on your toast, stay with me until the end, because mistake number 7 is one I see even health-conscious people make every single morning. Most people think you can't really go wrong with avocados. They're natural, plant-based, and packed with good fats. But the truth is, for seniors, some avocado habits can quietly disrupt your body's balance. Let's start with mistake number 1, which most people have no idea about. The first mistake is eating avocados with other high-fat foods. While avocado fat is healthy, when you pair it with foods like cheese, mayonnaise, bacon, or fried eggs, your meal becomes an overload of fats that your aging digestive system struggles to break down. After 60, your gallbladder and pancreas don't release enzymes as efficiently. So instead of boosting heart health, that combination can cause bloating, gas, and higher LDL cholesterol. The solution? Keep your meal balanced. Pair avocado with high-fiber veggies or lean protein like grilled chicken or lentils, instead of heavy fats. This way, you'll enjoy the benefits without overloading your system. The second mistake is eating too much avocado at once. Because it's healthy, many people think more is better. But one medium avocado contains over 300 calories and 30 grams of fat. Even if it's the good kind, it still adds up. For seniors with slower metabolism, those extra calories can easily lead to weight gain, especially around the belly, which increases your risk of insulin resistance and heart problems. The right portion is about 1/4 to half an avocado a day. That's enough to get all the nutrients without tipping the calorie scale. The third mistake is mixing avocado with refined carbs, like white bread, crackers, or sugary smoothies. This combination spikes blood sugar, especially in older adults who are pre-diabetic or diabetic. The fat from avocado slows digestion, but when it's paired with refined carbs, your body struggles to manage the sugar spike effectively. Instead of white toast, try whole grain or sprouted bread. Or better yet, mix avocado with high-fiber vegetables like spinach, cucumber, or tomato. That stabilizes blood sugar and supports your heart. Mistake number 4 is storing avocados the wrong way. Many people keep them in the refrigerator too early, thinking it preserves freshness. But cold temperatures stop the ripening process, and if you refrigerate an unripe avocado, it can stay hard and flavorless for weeks. On the other hand, if you leave a ripe avocado on the counter too long, it oxidizes and forms compounds that taste bitter and can cause stomach irritation. The best method? Let it ripen at room temperature until slightly soft to the touch, then move it to the fridge to extend freshness for 2 or 3 days. The fifth mistake is eating avocados with the peel or scraping too close to it. The dark green layer right beneath the skin contains a compound called persin, which in small amounts is harmless but can irritate digestion in sensitive seniors. Plus, pesticides often remain on the peel, even after washing. When scooping, it's best to leave a thin layer behind rather than scraping every last bit. You'll still get the nutrients, mainly from the creamy part, without risking gut discomfort. The sixth mistake is using avocado oil for high-heat cooking. While avocado oil is considered heart-healthy, not all avocado oils are pure or stable at high temperatures. Cheap or blended oils often oxidize quickly, producing harmful compounds that promote inflammation and arterial damage, something seniors should avoid at all costs. Always choose cold-pressed, unrefined avocado oil and use it for low to medium heat cooking or salad dressings. If you're frying or searing, opt for a more stable oil like light olive or avocado oil labeled refined for high heat. The seventh mistake is combining avocado with certain medications. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, which supports bone and heart health, but it can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. Seniors on these medications might experience inconsistent effects, making blood levels harder to stabilize. Always consult your doctor about how much avocado you can safely eat if you're taking blood thinners. A moderate, consistent intake, not large occasional portions, is safest. The eighth mistake is ignoring avocado allergies or sensitivities. Though rare, some seniors develop mild allergic reactions to avocados, especially those with latex allergies. Symptoms like itching mouth, bloating, or even mild joint pain after eating avocado may signal sensitivity. Because the immune system changes with age, even foods you tolerated for years can suddenly trigger responses. If you notice these symptoms, take a break from avocado for 2 weeks, then reintroduce it slowly to test your tolerance. The ninth mistake is not combining avocados with nutrient-rich foods. Avocados are amazing for nutrient absorption, especially for vitamins A, D, E and K, all fat-soluble. But if you're eating avocado alone, you're missing out on its synergy power. Pairing it with colorful vegetables like carrots, sweet peppers, or leafy greens enhances your body's ability to absorb antioxidants and fight aging-related damage. Think of avocado as a nutrient booster, but only when paired wisely. And the 10th mistake, perhaps the most surprising, is eating avocados at the wrong time of day. Many seniors eat them at dinner, thinking it's a light, healthy choice. But the healthy fats in avocados take time to digest, and eating them too close to bedtime can cause heaviness, bloating, and even acid reflux. The best time to eat avocado is in the morning or early afternoon when your metabolism is more active. This allows your body to use those healthy fats for energy and brain support throughout the day. Each of these mistakes might sound small on its own, but together, they can make a big difference in how your body responds to one of nature's most powerful fruits. Understanding how to eat avocados correctly can help you unlock all their benefits, from sharper memory and stable blood pressure to glowing skin and better digestion. So now that you know these 10 avocado mistakes, the question becomes, how can you keep enjoying this delicious fruit safely while still getting all its amazing health benefits? Because let's be honest, avocados are one of nature's most perfect foods when used the right way. They're creamy, satisfying, and loaded with over 20 essential nutrients, including potassium, folate, magnesium, vitamin K, and heart-loving monounsaturated fats. But like many superfoods, they only remain super when you eat them smartly. Let's start by talking about the right balance. For seniors, moderation isn't about restriction, it's about protection. The digestive system naturally slows with age, so even healthy fats can feel heavy if you eat too much. Think of avocado as a daily supplement, not the main meal. A few slices, about 1/4 to half an avocado, are plenty to keep your cholesterol balanced and energy steady without overloading your body. This small portion helps regulate blood sugar, keeps your brain sharp, and supports healthy joints thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Another key factor is timing. The time of day you eat avocado changes how your body uses its nutrients. In the morning, those healthy fats can stabilize your blood sugar and fuel your brain for focus and mental clarity. Midday, they help sustain energy and keep you full longer, perfect for avoiding unhealthy snacking. But late at night, those same fats take too long to digest and can cause discomfort or even reflux. So, make avocado part of breakfast or lunch, not your bedtime snack. Now, let's talk about what to pair avocado with, because this is where many seniors unknowingly go wrong. Remember, avocado is rich in fat-soluble vitamins, which need other nutrients to work effectively. Pairing avocado with fresh vegetables like spinach, kale, carrots, or bell peppers helps your body absorb more antioxidants and protect your cells from aging. A simple avocado salad with lemon, olive oil, and mixed greens is a perfect way to nourish your heart and keep inflammation low. Avoid mixing avocado with refined carbs or processed foods. White bread, sugary smoothies, or deep-fried snacks can cancel out avocado's health benefits. Instead, reach for whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, which keep your blood sugar stable and your digestion smooth. Your goal isn't just to eat healthy foods, but to create healthy combinations that work in harmony with your body. Another point seniors often overlook is food freshness. Overripe or improperly stored avocados can lose nutrients and even cause mild food poisoning. Always check for signs of spoilage, dark brown spots, sour smell, or a slimy texture mean it's time to throw it out. To keep avocados fresh longer, store ripe ones in the refrigerator and sprinkle lemon juice on cut surfaces to slow oxidation. When freezing, mash them with a bit of lemon juice first. This prevents browning and preserves flavor. If you're someone taking medications, particularly blood thinners, remember that avocados contain vitamin K, which can influence how your medicine works. That doesn't mean you must give them up. It just means you should keep your intake consistent and discuss it with your doctor. The goal is balance, not elimination. In fact, vitamin K is critical for bone strength and preventing fractures, so you want to include it wisely, not avoid it completely. For seniors with digestive sensitivity, go easy on the peel and outer layers. While that dark green area has nutrients, it can also hold trace pesticide residues and compounds that irritate the stomach. Always wash avocados thoroughly and scoop gently. If you've noticed bloating or discomfort after eating avocado, try smaller portions and see how your body reacts. It's not uncommon for digestion to change after 60. Your enzymes decrease and your tolerance shifts. Listening to your body is the smartest health habit you can practice. Now, let's look at avocado oil, a trend that's exploded in the last few years. While it's often marketed as the healthiest cooking oil, not all avocado oils are equal. Some cheaper brands mix in lower quality oils or refine them at high temperatures, which destroys the good fats and introduces harmful compounds. If you love cooking with avocado oil, always look for cold-pressed or extra virgin labels. Use it for salad dressings, drizzle it over cooked vegetables, or lightly sauté, but avoid deep frying. For high-heat cooking, a more stable oil like light olive or coconut oil may serve you better. Another point many seniors don't realize is that avocado affects hydration and electrolytes. Because it's rich in potassium, even more than bananas, it helps maintain muscle strength, nerve function, and heart rhythm. However, if you're on potassium-sparing medications or have kidney issues, too much potassium can cause imbalance. Again, moderation and communication with your healthcare provider are key. Here's a practical tip. If you love having avocado toast in the morning, make a few small adjustments to make it truly senior-friendly. Use whole grain or rye bread instead of white toast to add fiber and stabilize blood sugar. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra omega-3s. And squeeze a little lemon or lime juice on top, not just for flavor, but also to help your body absorb more iron from plant-based foods. Small changes like these can make a huge difference over time. And don't underestimate the mental and emotional benefits of avocado. Studies show that healthy fats improve mood, reduce anxiety, and support memory retention, crucial benefits for older adults. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, so feeding it high-quality fats like those in avocado helps maintain mental sharpness and even protects against cognitive decline. That means the right avocado habits aren't just about your waistline, they're about your mind, focus, and emotional well-being too. Now, let's address a common misconception. I'll just eat avocado daily because it's healthy. The truth is, variety matters. While avocados are amazing, your body thrives on diversity. Rotate your healthy fats. Include walnuts, almonds, olive oil, or fatty fish like salmon. This ensures a wide range of nutrients and prevents any single food from dominating your diet. The beauty of avocados lies in their simplicity and versatility. They blend into smoothies, enhance salads, and make creamy spreads without the need for unhealthy mayonnaise or butter. But like every powerful food, they need to be handled with respect and awareness. The mistakes we talked about today may seem small, eating too much, pairing with the wrong foods, or cooking at high heat, but over time, these little habits add up. By correcting them, you're not just protecting your heart and digestion, you're investing in your long-term energy, clarity, and independence. So next time you slice open an avocado, remember, you're holding a nutrient powerhouse that can support your brain, joints, and heart. But only if you use it wisely. Eat it in moderation. Combine it with colorful veggies, lean proteins, or whole grains. Choose quality oils. Store it properly. And above all, listen to your body's signals. Health isn't about chasing trends. It's about making small, consistent, thoughtful choices every day. If you're over 60, these choices matter more than ever. Because your body becomes more sensitive to what you feed it, both the good and the bad. Avocados can be your best friend or your silent enemy. The difference lies in awareness. By avoiding these 10 mistakes and following the smart habits we discussed, you'll keep your heart strong, your brain sharp, and your energy stable for years to come. So go ahead, enjoy your avocado. Just make sure it's fueling your health, not fighting it. And remember, in nutrition, it's not just what you eat that matters, but how you eat it.